Hello, and welcome to the QR code generator section. Here you can quickly create a QR code for any document you've prepared, making it easily accessible to your clients. What is it for? If a client arrives at your facility without having filled out and signed the required form, they can simply scan the QR code to access the document directly. In just a few seconds, using their smartphone, they will be able to open it, complete the required fields, and sign it. To get started, select the document for which you want to generate a QR code. In the Actions column, you'll find the Generate QR Code button. Just click it to instantly create a ready-to-use code. But that's not all. In this screen, you also have the option to add a title and a description so you can create a poster that clearly communicates the purpose of the QR code to your clients. It will be ready to print and display in a visible spot at your business. This system is perfect for collecting signatures quickly and without paper, both remotely and on-site. Try it now. And as always, we're here if you need any assistance.